Greetings to all the brilliant minds in the world of technology. We are thrilled to have you here on our YouTube channel, which is dedicated to software engineers, developers, and the entire tech community. As software engineers and developers ourselves, we know how exciting and fast-paced the world of technology can be. Every day, there are innovations, programming languages, frameworks, and tools that shape the way we create and build software. And we are here to share our passion and knowledge with you all. Whether you are a seasoned professional looking to stay updated with the latest trends, a beginner eager to learn the ropes of coding, or someone who simply shares our love for all things tech, this channel is for you. We aim to provide you with valuable insights, practical tips, and engaging tutorials that will help you level up your coding skills, broaden your knowledge, and keep you inspired. We believe in building a supportive and inclusive community where everyone can learn, grow, and thrive. Our channel is a platform for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and networking with fellow tech enthusiasts from all around the globe. We encourage you to ask questions, share your thoughts, and engage in meaningful discussions with fellow viewers and us. So, whether you're into web development, machine learning, data science, cloud computing, or any other technology area, you're in the right place. We are excited to embark on this journey with you, and we promise to bring you high-quality content that will empower you to excel in your tech endeavors. Once again, a warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you for being a part of our tech community. Let's learn, create, and innovate together. Happy coding! Code Crush Team.